Welcome to the ultimate guide to YouTube growth, unlocking your channel's full potential. In this video, we will provide you with the essential tips and strategies to help your channel thrive on YouTube. Building an engaging community is the first step towards growth. Interact with your viewers through comments, messages, and live chats. Show them that you value their support and feedback. Consistency is key. Create a content schedule and stick to it. Your viewers will appreciate knowing when to expect new videos from you. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Use relevant keywords to help YouTube understand what your video is about and improve its visibility in search results. Don't forget about thumbnails. A visually appealing thumbnail can attract potential viewers and increase click-through rates. Make sure it accurately represents your video's content. Promoting your videos on social media is essential. Share your content on platforms where your target audience spends their time. Engage with communities and use hashtags to expand your reach. Collaborations can be a powerful tool for growth. Partner with other YouTubers in your niche to reach new audiences and cross-promote each other's content. Never underestimate the importance of quality content. Focus on creating valuable, entertaining, and informative videos that keep your viewers coming back for more. Finally, remember to analyze your channel's performance. Pay attention to your audience retention, views, and engagement metrics. Use this data to identify what works and what doesn't, allowing you to continuously improve. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on YouTube growth. Together, let's unlock your channel's full potential.